Hi, I'm Rachel.
And I'm Seth.
We are at Our Lady of Lourdes, a Grace System school.
And this is a day in the life of a middle school student.
Hi, I am Michael.
Hi, I'm Jada.
This is 6th grade English. We do wow words every Monday, spelling city, and cursive sentences every Wednesday.
Also in literature, we get to bring a book or pick a book from the library, and we spend our whole class down there reading. And we just finished where the red phone goes. Every day we had to read a chapter, answer questions, and do vocab on that chapter. And now we do a compare and contrast paper on the movie and book.
Hi, I'm Connor, and these are our new Chromebooks. We got them this year, and we use them in every single class for educational purposes. And we can look up whatever we want.
I'm Connor.
And I am Michael.
And we're doing 6th grade social studies. In social studies, every Wednesday we do weekly geography. We take a map and look up places. And then we're also doing a project called Greek Gods and Goddesses. We look up Greek gods and goddesses and make a PowerPoint about them.
We are also doing current events every other week, and Aesop's Fables, which are stories with a theme at the end of it, and that is life of the 6th grade in social studies.
Hi, I'm Hannah. And I'm Seth. And we're talking about our Google Mail accounts.
Last year we got a Google account, and we used Google Drive to write reports and Google Presentation to make PowerPoints.
We also use Google Calendar to keep track of our school events, such as basketball games and lessons and stuff. And then we have Classroom, which is where we can all get together and correct a paper or do papers online, and our teacher can see them. Hi, I'm Hannah.
I'm Mary.
And in religion class, we usually start out with morning prayer.
And then we do a Bible book or a project.
Then we do bookwork and questions from the night before.
And then we do journaling.
Then we usually have a class discussion about what we learned during class.
And then we meet up with our prayer group and figure out a prayer to do.
If we get any homework, we usually have little time to work on it.
And that's religion. Hi, I'm Jada.
I'm Kayla.
And this is what we do in science. First we come in and we take notes through the week.
Then we do a lab, and we take our sheets home and do some questions and the conclusion.
And right now, talking about Newton and his laws of motion.
We do labs, and our favorite lab was eggs in flight.
For the eggs in flight, we had an egg and we had to take it through obstacle courses, like was on like a plane and stuff.
And that's 6th grade science.
Hola amigos, this is Spanish class. I am Seth. And I am Chase. Every day in Spanish we start out with writing the date on the board.
There is a Spanish flag, and when the Spanish flag is up, we have to talk Spanish.
If we talk Spanish for a whole month, we get a very fun prize.
After each unit, we have a vocab test.
And every once in a while, we have to memorize skits and then act them out.
After Spanish class is over, we get workbook pages. Let's do the next class.
And sometimes we have to read stories in Spanish and then answer the questions.
Adios. That was Spanish class.
Hi, I'm Connor, and this is a Spearow. It connects with the iPad, and we can control it and make it do shapes. And it can roll on the floor all using the iPad. And we can download an app, and it rolls all over the floor, just controlling it from the iPad.
during lunch. Hi, I'm Hannah. I'm Kayla.
I'm Connor.
And I'm Trace. And during lunch, you have two options. You can either take hot lunch or cold lunch to eat. There are lunch servers. Middle school students help serve lunch and do it for service hours.
On Friday, we do Mixing Up Fridays. You take a card from Mr. Young and go to your assigned table so you can meet new friends.
And we also have nut-free tables, which if you're allergic to nuts, no one with nuts can sit.
Hi, I'm Henry, and this is Rachel, and we're doing band and choir.
I like choir because we're always doing something different, whether it's warm-ups or music.
Since I'm in band, I get to do different pieces of music for different special events, and I get to play different instruments for them.
There's always new challenges, and everybody's always really friendly in band and choir.
And that's pretty much band and choir.
Hi, I'm Chase, and today I'm going to be talking about Lego WeDo. So first you have to build a Lego set, and then you have to add a motor to it, and then plug it into your computer. And then you have to program it to move with these mini boxes. So if I press the play button, it should move. And when I press red X, it should stop. And we also have Lego Mindstorm, which is pretty much the same thing, except you don't have to plug it into your computer.
Hi, I'm Elijah,
I'm Jason.
and this is life as a 6th grader in Phi Ed.
Every day we start out with laps and stretches.
And then Mrs. Sudnick or Mrs. Thompson will choose a game for us.
Once we pick captains to pick the teams, then we start to play the game.
Our favorite game is dodgeball.
Once we start to play the game, we have really fun playing it.
And then once we're all done, we clean up and then we go to our next class.
Hi, I'm Seth.
And I'm Connor.
There's a geocaching class, and so you hide a box with prizes in it, then somebody else has to go find it.
And when you find it, you want to put in a prize, and then you get to take one out. So then it's a trade.
Hi, I'm Jason.
Hi, I'm Connor.
This is what 6th grade math class is like.
In the beginning of the day, we start out with correcting our assignments.
Once we do that, we hand them into the basket, then we do warm-up problems.
And then we start with our lesson and people usually ask questions.
Once we are done with the questions, then we do problems for ourselves.
At the end of the day, she gives us our homework and then we have 10 minutes to do it.
That's what math class is like in 6th grade.
Hi, I'm Ravi.
And I'm Max.
And we are talking about art. Every art class, or every week, we have a new sketchbook assignment that we only draw with pencil.
We have subjects up above the board, and right now we're doing contrast, where we draw a vortex and it makes it look like an optical illusion.